Well, the start of another lovely video, and we have a Mitsubishi Colt CZT, and I think it used to be a Black Colt because it used to have stripes. Rich has just fitted a Scorpion resonated catback system onto it, and it's time to map it. So I'm going to strap it down, and then I'm going to start using the Ecotech software. Yeah, here we go. I noticed you eat your... Oh, I was pointing at your balls there, mate. I noticed you ate your lunch at the dyno cell. That's how busy we are, mate.
Yeah, I don't get to sit down and have my lunch anymore.
No, but don't worry.
Apparently it's frowned upon.
You're already a big, strong lad. So we're getting on with this Mitsubishi Colt CZT, which seems to be responding quite lovely. Pretty straightforward for you these days, isn't it, Rich?
Yep. So I suppose.
I suppose.
Pays the bills.
Does.
Pays the bills so the paint shop can suck some more from them.
It wants to be paid more than the bills, mate. I nearly had a small hernia when I seen...
What, well, we worked out how much we'd spent already?
Yeah, but it wasn't cool.
It was an amount of money.
But you've got to be in it to win it, my friend.
Yeah, when I paid to get the oven done and I didn't want to do anything to the oven, and now we're
working on it.
Now we're in a situation where we're cleaning the floors up.
Yeah.
Of the oven section, which is covered in overspray, and it's literally about half an inch thick.
Yeah.
And I'm not really up for that. But unfortunately, if we don't do it, no one's doing it.
That's right. Might as well get it all mint before it goes in.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, that's written to the ECU, so I'm going to go get the fans on, mate. Mitsubishi Colt CZT tuned. So, list of modifications that it had. It's got a resonated Scorpion catback system on it and a K&N induction kit, and that's it.
That's it.
That is it.
We popped the exhaust on before we stuck it on here. I think you already said that.
Popped it on.
Popped it on, like you do. Just pops on like a little press stud on the front of your coat. Old foreman used to say to me every time he ever asked you to do anything.
Press stud. It's not that cold today.
Yeah, it's not cold. He used to say, just pop this on.
Just pop it on.
Just pop it on like it just literally falls on. You know what I mean?
I probably gave you 40 minutes.
Yeah, it doesn't take any time at all. It just pops on. You know what I mean? Just pop this on for me. Yeah, that's his favourite saying.
Thankfully, you're working for yourself now, mate. So
yeah,
you've really got yourself to let down.
I'm absolutely unemployable now, I'll be honest.
I am. I've got too many bad habits and I don't like work.
I'm okay with the work. I mean, he really is work shy, but I'm okay with the work, just don't like being told what to do.
No, you don't, do you?
No. I have a problem with authority.
Yeah, I think we all do, really, at our age, don't we?
Yeah, you want to do your own thing, don't you?
Yeah, you do want to do your own thing. I like to spin around on my chair, and when someone tells me I have to go out in the cold workshop, I don't like it.
Don't want to do it.
No. But yes, Colt CZT, and it has mapped up well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has mapped up well. It finished on 202 and 216 foot-pounds, I think. Exactly what we'd expect, perhaps a fraction down on torque, but you've always got to remember these cars are getting older now, turbos are getting a bit weaker, and they've...
But this has got, you know, lower mileage than what we're normally seeing these days, but it's still the same age, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's still the same age. You've got to look at it the other way. That if the car's been started and stopped every day and it's been used every day, there's still a component that wears, ain't it? Whichever way you look
I feel
at it.
a bit worn down myself, Richard, today.
Yeah, a bit of a worn component.
I am I'm certainly the worn component round here.
Yeah, so yeah, I think it's mapped up okay. I think the customer will be happy with that. I think we started off at 170, I think is where we started. So it's a 30 brake horsepower increase with a good dollop of torque. So he'll certainly notice that on the way home.
Yeah, set his air on fire on the way
Shall we have a
home.
look at the graph?
Yeah, come on, let's have a look at the graph.
Well, Richard's just mentioned that he doesn't like the stupid noise that I make as we transition from in front of the car to looking at the graph. So, code word today is stupid noise.
I did mean to mention it the other day.
It's when I go onto the next
I did
bit.
mean to mention it the other day, then I forgot, but I've mentioned it now.
Yeah, well, I'm really impressed with your feedback there, Richard. So, anyway, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, right across the rev range there, we've made improvements. That area underneath the line is the power that we've made, and we finish on 202 brake horsepower. That's 216 foot-pounds of torque, which is fantastic for this little Mitsubishi Colt, which we love, as you know, at Dynodaze. We love the Mitsubishi Colt CZTs, tuning them on the Ecotech software. It's time for us to do some paperwork now, Richard. So,
Indeed. So
yeah.
if they want to leave a comment like, do people like Dan's stupid noise? If they don't like it, I'll bring it up in your appraisal.
Please let me go. That's what I'm asking.
No, because it's what you want.
Yeah, I just want to be like, I'm sorry, Dan, we've had to let you go.
No, I'm not giving you that because it's what you want.
Come on, man. Put me out of my misery.
No.
I feel like a 1,000-year-old vampire that just wants to get staken. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.